Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is day 1 of our 30-day SQL series for data analysts. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to teach you SQL, step by step, from absolute scratch. So even if you've never written a single line of code, don't worry, we're starting from zero. So first, what even is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. And in simple words, it's just a language you use to talk to databases. Think of a database like your phone's contact list, but instead of 100 contacts, imagine a company storing 10 million customers. Their names, orders, locations, everything. SQL is how you ask questions to that data. Like, show me all customers from Mumbai who placed an order this week. That's SQL. Now, why does a data analyst need SQL? Here's the truth. If you go to any data analyst job posting right now, SQL is almost always the number one skill they ask for. Before Python, before Excel, before anything. Because as an analyst, your job is to pull data, clean it, and make sense of it. And SQL is the fastest way to do exactly that. So what will we cover in this series? We'll go from basics to advanced. We will do project, case study of real company works, and more. By day 30, you'll be confident enough to crack a data analyst interview. So make sure you follow so you don't miss a single day. See you then.